Hello, can I talk to you? The best for the night.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Where do you live here in Pasay?
Crowded area.
The crowded area.
We sell a BYD car.
So what's inside the Bravo Supreme?
Sausage, pepperoni,
Pepperoni,
onion and pepper.
onion and pepper.
Olive.
Wow. Right.
Do you want the hot sauce?
Yeah.
Hot sauce. Even the drinks, do you want me to bag it?
You can put it on.
There.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Very nice, my friend.
Yeah, shout out.
Where are you gonna go now?
It's 12 a.m. in Pasay City, and somehow the city still feels wide awake.
The streets are growing, the traffic keeps moving, and every corner feels like it has its own story. There is something different about Manila at night. Loud, beautiful, and full of life all at once. The lights reflecting off the buildings, the warm air, the late night food spots still open. It all creates a vibe that's hard to explain until you are standing right here yourself. Right now, this is Pasay City after midnight, and honestly,
It feels alive in the best way. No matter how late it gets, the energy never really leaves this
so
place.
tonight we are going to, explore the city, and it's exactly 12 a.m. here in Pasay City. So you're gonna see how exactly 12 a.m. is really like here in this lovely city. You can see the lights behind me, and people still here, walking. People are still jogging, at night. People are still awake, but the view here is really beautiful. Look at this right there. So a lot of people think Philippines is, just all about the slums, crazy vibes, Hello, can I talk to you? Yeah, okay, we can work. We can work. I just want to know more about Pasay City.
Pasay City.
Yeah.
What do you wanna know about it? It's
Just
so crowded.
it's crowded.
Yeah. You're just
And
seeing the area where for working area, but
oh, okay.
for the
This
people
just for
live,
working,
yeah,
right?
for
Eh,
other people living here, like over there in Buendia, it's so crowded.
Wow. And where do you live here in Pasay?
Crowded area.
The crowded area. Oh,
Buendia.
I also live in Shore. You know Shore?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's that way, right?
And how is 12 a.m. here
Are
in
you
Pasay?
vlogging for
Yeah.
real?
YouTube, yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello. What's your name?
name is Jewel.
Jewel.
Yeah.
My name is Charles. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So I think you just finished your work, right?
Yeah, I just.
I want to know how is 12 a.m. It's already 12 a.m., right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How is 12 a.m. like in Pasay?
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
12 a.m. How is it really like here?
Oh, here.
Like, can I get some street food? Maybe some bar open?
Okay. In this at this hour, you can no longer find open food court because it's so late. But you can find somewhere else there. What do you call in the bridge of Moa?
Moa.
Yeah, the bridge of Moa. There's a lot of food stall here, but it's not that recommendable because for foreigner, but for Filipino local, we usually eat there
Oh,
because
okay.
that's cheap and
It's more cheap there.
yeah, and for Filipino vibes, that's what we used. But
Wow.
for foreigner like you, I don't know if you can
Eat there.
eat there. Yeah.
Really? What do they really sell there? What do they sell there? Is it seafood or
We random food like street food.
street food?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay,
Not
your
that
name again?
fancy. Jewel.
Jewel. Wow, guys.
Where you gonna go now?
I'm just exploring. So
Yeah.
maybe go back there
Yeah.
and also explore. Jewel.
How long do you live here now?
I just came 4 days ago.
4 days ago. So
Yeah.
enjoy.
All right.
You can explore more around
All right.
here.
That's Julia.
Jewel.
Right. Jewel.
Yeah.
All right. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Wow.
What's your YouTube?
Charles.
Carl?
Wow, guys. Like, it's really lovely. And the Philippines are really very warm, they are very hospitable. And I don't understand how it is, but yesterday I spoke with one Filipino lady and she told me it's because of their ancestors. That's how they were brought up. Because being friendly can open doors and also help other people to understand how they really live their life. I've seen this, you know, I just want to go there and see if we can get some. Because I've seen they've written their chicken. Hello. I don't know if you can get some chicken here. Yeah, like, look at this there. Pizza, chicken, pasta. I don't know if we can get just chicken. Bravo, Supreme, Eternal Sausage, veggies, and wow. Oh, look at this. I think maybe we should try this. It's just 99 peso. Hello? Good evening. I just want you to give me like the best for the night.
What do you want? Pizza or pasta?
Pizza. But I just want something small.
Something.
Yeah.
This is our best seller. One and two.
Okay, give me Bravo Supreme.
What?
Yeah. I already eaten and I just want to try.
Sure. So one Bravo Supreme.
Yeah.
How about the drink?
You recommend.
What do you want? Sweeter or
What?
sweeter? Sweet?
Yeah, sweet.
Sweet. So we'll go.
Peach.
Yes.
Peach mango iced tea.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Bravo Supreme and what?
Yes,
Anything
please.
else?
No.
Can I get your name?
Charles.
Charles.
Yeah. Wow.
159, sir.
159. All right, so that's gonna go for 159 peso. 159. 159. Okay, let me give you 200. I'll give you 200.
I received 200, sir. Charles.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go for Bravo Supreme and peach mango iced tea. So what's inside there? Bravo Supreme.
Sausage, pepperoni,
Pepperoni,
onion and pepper.
onion and pepper.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much. All right, so we have to wait.
Call your name.
Okay. Yeah, so they're gonna call my name and all that for 150, 59. I've forgotten. Oh, let me check. Yeah. All that, yeah, for 159 peso. Yeah, so they're going to call my name and I'm just gonna wait. But mind you, it's 12 a.m. here in the Philippines, Manila, Pasay City. But man, I'm so, you know, impressed about this view here, you know, the buildings, the lights. I feel like I'm in Tokyo, but this is not Tokyo, guys. Look at the view here. And it's really, really safe out here because you can see some security personnel all over, this area at the traffic lights, all the areas here. You can see security personnel here. So this place is really, really safe. And I recommend each and every person who visits, Manila, try and visit Pasay City. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Oh my
It will slide here. This is the opening side.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. All right.
Do you want the hot sauce?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hot sauce. This is the hot sauce.
Okay.
This is the thing.
Is it okay to get a bag?
Sure, sure, sure. Even the drinks, do you want me to bag it?
You can put it on.
Sige, gusto. There.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, guys, you can't explore, the Philippines without some food. And I've seen some neon lights over there. So let's go see what's over there and find a place, sit, and enjoy this pizza and, the mango juice. Let's go. Yeah, guys, I don't know what they're doing, but, people are still working there. And it's 12 a.m. Wow, crazy. Hello, you good? What are you doing? Working?
Sit up, we sell a BYD car. Yeah, electric.
From tomorrow?
Uh,
Wait,
Thursday.
Thursday.
This is a 3D setup.
Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah.
Shout out. Very nice, my friend. Out there.
Yeah, shout out, shout out, shout out. From,
Vlog, what's vlog? You?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's your name?
Charles, Charles.
Ah.
Yeah. What about there? The lights there. What's that?
You can go.
I can go inside there.
Yeah. You can
Okay.
go and
Open it.
have a drink if you want.
Oh, they sell drinks there.
Yeah, there's
Alcohol?
Yeah,
Beer.
it's a resto bar. Yeah, they have a Van Damme.
Okay, okay,
You
okay,
can
okay.
enjoy while drinking and listening music.
Okay, okay, okay. All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
Wow. Wow, guys, so I think that place is a bar. The neon lights I said I've seen. So maybe we should pass through, but I don't know how the vibe is gonna be. Like there, I have my pizza, which I still haven't tried. And those guys are working, and there's gonna be a car show. They're going to sell cars there. So probably there's gonna be some GTA cars, But wow, that place look looks really crazy. Wow. KTV Resto Bar. Nah, this is not my type of vibe. But I think we should, sit over there. Let's try this food and go back, explore. So, you have to pull it out like this, and that's the pizza inside there. I love how the packaging is. Wow. This looks really yummy. Mmm. All right, this is really, really delicious. Wow. The mango juice here from Bravo. Cheers. Oh, this is really good. It's not too sweet, but you can, taste the mango. And I feel like the Filipinos has the best, food or street food in the entire world. Trust me, I'm not gonna lie to you, but they have the best street food. Mm. This pizza right here, 10 over 10. Guys, let me finish this. Pasay City is more than just the lights. It's culture, hustle, and community all in one. So if you love this little adventure here in Pasay City, Do all to leave a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to like